Ever wondered how those delicious portobello mushrooms make it from the garden to your kitchen? These earthy delights, known for their rich, hearty flavor, are a favorite in countless dishes around the globe. Today, we are going to learn how to harvest and store these culinary gems. Harvesting portobello mushrooms is a simple yet delicate process. These culinary wonders are usually ready for harvest when their cap has fully expanded, indicating that they've reached their full size. At this stage, they're ripe for picking and packed with flavor. But remember, the act of harvesting should be performed with care. To extract the mushroom, gently twist and pull it from its base. This method ensures you don't damage the underlying mycelium, the vegetative part of the mushroom, which is vital for future growth. It's a gentle dance between human and nature, a testament to the art of mushroom cultivation. And voila! With the right technique, you'll have a handful of fresh portobello mushrooms ready for your next meal. After harvesting, it's crucial to store your portobello mushrooms properly to maintain their freshness. Let's walk through the process. First, give your mushrooms a gentle cleaning. Use a damp cloth to wipe off any dirt or debris. Resist the urge to wash them, as mushrooms can become slimy when wet. Now, it's time to store them. A simple paper bag is your best friend here. Place your mushrooms in the bag and pop it into the refrigerator. This method can keep your mushrooms fresh for up to 7 days. So you see, with a bit of care and the right techniques, it's easy to maintain the earthy, meaty flavor of portobello mushrooms. With proper storage, you can enjoy the earthy, meaty flavor of portobello mushrooms anytime you crave them. And there you have it, a simple guide on harvesting and storing portobello mushrooms. Remember, these steps are crucial for preserving the taste and texture of your mushrooms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.